Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to get free fidget spinners, iPhones, bikes, anything you want. Like anything you really want to buy. You're gonna go to this app called Mercury, right here at the top. Download it. It's completely free, no charge. It's basically like eBay or any selling website. And you get free coupons. Right here it says $5 coupon. And after you make it, you're gonna want to type in my code PBJRSK, and then you'll get $2. And and you'll get $2. And every time someone types in my code, you'll get another $2. So like say you type in my code, you already have $2, and 5 more people type in my code. So you'll basically get an additional $10. So I really like this. You'll get free fidget spinners, iPhones, anything. So see, give $2, get $2. And if you also want to check out the stuff I posted FIFA 14 for $20. WWE for $24. And 2K15 for $20. So that's pretty much the video, guys. Check it out.